Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by putting essential tools in place so work flows smoothly. Install VS Code, and while it's downloading, install Git and add it to your path so the editor can run version control. Once done, open VS Code and sign in with GitHub or Microsoft to sync settings and extensions across devices. Make sure to enable auto updates. This keeps extensions compatible. These first steps save friction later and let you open a folder. Run the integrated terminal and start coding immediately. Now you configure VS Code for real work and understand why each choice matters. Create a workspace to persist settings per project and edit settings. JSON so things like tab size, line endings, and excluded files match your team. Install language extensions and the language server protocol to get accurate completions and diagnostics. Once installed, enable format on save and set your preferred terminal shell. Make sure the debugger is configured with launch. JSON for quick test runs. These middle steps reduce friction and speed development. Finish by creating snippets and custom key bindings to speed repetitive tasks. Enable settings sync so your environment follows you. Use the source control view to stage, commit, create branches, and push. This keeps context within the editor. Once everything's set, run a small debug session to confirm breakpoints and tasks work. If something goes wrong, disable recent extensions and check the output panel or developer tools for errors. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals conflicts or missing dependencies to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.